This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Loosen the air intake duct clamp, then unlatch the clips. Separate the housing halves and remove the filter. Orient the filter facing in the correct direction and slide it into the filter housing. Snap the lid into place and tighten the air intake duct clamp.